Hello everyone! Welcome to the Carnival Mascot Factory. Want to know how the world's largest mascot production works? Then come with me. Every month we sew more than 800 mascots and 500 carnival costumes. In 15 years of operation, our mascots have shipped to all CIS countries, the USA, Canada, Germany, Israel, UAE, and many more. In 2020, we opened a branch in Dubai, from where we also ship mascots worldwide. We partner with all major shipping companies to find the most convenient and cost-effective delivery methods. Order placement. You can leave a request on our website or message us on social media. Consultation. Our manager will contact you, answer any questions, tell you about promotions, and help you choose the perfect option. Production. We have over 1,000 ready-made characters, but if you need a unique mascot, we'll design it based on your preferences. Our craftsmen ensure maximum likeness to the character, and thanks to high-quality materials, the mascots remain light and comfortable for animators. We carefully consider every detail to ensure your mascots are comfortable and durable. Throughout the production process, we stay in touch with you, sending photo and video reports so you can see the creation process. Before shipment, we conduct a final review of the mascot and pack it in a dust-proof cover and sturdy box for safe delivery. We carefully pack each mascot into a protective cover and place it securely in the box. We ensure everything is tightly sealed with tape, label the box with the order number, and send it on its way for safe and timely delivery. We create not only animated characters, but also branded mascots for businesses, advertising campaigns, and sports teams. In 2022, we started collaborating with IP owners, creating licensed characters for premieres and advertising campaigns. We also help aspiring animators start their own businesses by offering popular and versatile characters at great prices. Thank you for joining our video tour. Follow us on social media, where we share behind-the-scenes footage, real reviews, and interesting stories. Got questions? Leave them in the comments.